Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing well. Today I am going to show you how to make the very tasty and simple Muslim style pulao and the very delicious chicken curry with the rich cashew nuts gravy made with the instant homemade chicken masala powder. The taste is excellent friends. Then why late? Let's get into the process. But before that friends, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification and select all for more interesting recipes. Please visit our channel for many more interesting and delicious Indian and Western recipes in detail along with the tips so that anyone can cook and enjoy the great taste of all of our recipes. The ingredients for the chicken curry are 1 kg 500 grams of chicken washed nicely, 2 big onions roughly chopped, 2 big tomatoes roughly chopped, 100 ml oil, 10 cashew nuts soaked in hot water for 10 minutes, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 4 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, 7 to 8 green chilies sliced, 200 grams of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 4 cardamoms, 4 cloves, 1 tablespoon of dried fenugreek leaves, 2 inches of cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon peppercorn, and a handful of fried onions, some chopped coriander leaves. You can find all the ingredients list in the description box below. Take a pan, dry roast all the spices on low flame except the fenugreek leaves for 1 minute until nice aroma comes. Keep mixing to avoid burning. Now turn off the flame, let them cool down and then grind them into a fine powder like this. Now take the chicken, add 1 tablespoon of salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, add the green chilies and add the chicken masala that we made. Add the yogurt and the fried onions. Mix until well combined. Now let it marinate for 1 hour. Meanwhile, take a mixer jar, put the onions and the tomato pieces. Add the soaked cashew nuts along with the water. Now grind this into a fine paste. Keep this aside. The chicken nicely marinated for 1 hour. Now heat up a big pan. Put the oil. Let the oil heat up on medium flame. Now add the garlic ginger paste. Mix well and fry until the raw smell of the garlic ginger paste completely gone. Keep stirring to avoid burning. Now add this marinated chicken. Mix well. Fry for 3 minutes. Give a stir for every 1 minute to avoid burning. After 3 minutes of roasting the chicken, now add this tomato, onion and cashew nut paste. Mix well. Cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Put 1 glass of water in the marinated bowl, clean it and put the same water in the mixer jar. Dissolve the remaining paste. Now put this water in the curry. Mix well. Now taste one time. If anything needed, you can adjust. The salt and the chili powder not enough friends, so I am adding half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of chili powder again. You add salt and chili powder as per your taste. Mix well, cover the lid and cook for 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame. Give a stir for every 1 minute to avoid burning. After 6 minutes of cooking, now let's check the chicken cook ready or not. See friends, the chicken perfectly cooked ready and the gravy also thickened. Now lower the flame, sprinkle some chopped coriander. Mix well, cover the lid and then turn off the flame and serve hot. That's all friends, the chicken curry is ready. Now let's go make the pulao. The ingredients are 1 kg basmati rice, 3 big glasses approximately, washed nicely and soaked for 40 minutes. 2 big onions finely sliced like this, and 2 big tomato cut into pieces. A handful of mint and coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste and 4 tablespoons of clarified ghee, 5 green chilies sliced, 4 cloves, 4 cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 inch of cinnamon stick and salt to taste. I'll give all the ingredients list in the description box below. Take a big vessel, let it heat up. Now put the ghee, let the ghee heat up. Now add the spices, fry them for 10 seconds on medium flame. Now add the onions and add 1 teaspoon of salt. By adding the salt, the onions will become soft quickly. Give a stir, fry until the onions become soft. See friends, the onions become soft already. Now add the green chilies and the garlic ginger paste. Fry until the raw smell of the garlic ginger paste completely gone. Keep stirring to avoid burning friends. Now add the tomato pieces. Mix well and cover the lid and cook until the tomato pieces become soft. Now add the mint and coriander leaves. Mix well and cook for 1 minute. Now add water. For 1 glass of rice, add 1.5 glass of water friends. I take 3 glasses of water, so I am adding 4.5 glasses of water. Now taste one time. The salt is not enough friends, so I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt again. You add salt as per your taste. Give a stir and cover the lid and let it come to a boil. See friends, it is boiling. Now drain the excess water from the rice and then add. Now mix well and cover the lid. Let the rice cook on high flame for 3 minutes. See friends, after 3 minutes, the rice 80% cook ready. Mix one more time. Now sprinkle a pinch of orange food color on the top and just mix a little. Level it up. Now cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. See friends, after 2 minutes the pulao is ready. Now turn off the flame and serve hot. Hope you guys like these recipes. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.